Today we are celebrating the contributions and legacy of two core members of our team. Wolfgang and Miki Schau are retiring. Before we let them go completely, I caught up with Wolfgang to ask him some questions before he and Miki close the book on Hans Mill and open a brand new chapter full of adventures in their life. The first question I had to ask Wolfgang, looking back on everything thus far, what would you say your favorite moment with Hans Mill is?
Actually a difficult question because there's so many. But the first one which comes to my memory is the grand opening. When James Hahn, the owner, asked Miki and myself to help to organize a grand opening, it was very important for him to make a great show. And Miki and I, we just managed it, and it was a fantastic grand opening, and everybody was super happy, including our major customer, Walmart.
Keeping in line with the good memories, I also asked, what will you miss the most about Hans Mill?
We created a kind of a family kind of culture where everybody cares about everybody else. We respect our culture, our differences, our diversity, and I'm very happy to see when I'm coming into the company in the morning to see the people with a smile coming, and I'm very happy to see them leaving with a smile in the evening and still all fingers on the hand. Means no injuries.
It's a good answer, right? But not everything about working is all cherries and roses. So I had to also ask Wolfgang, what is it that you'll miss the least about working?
Yes, there's something I really miss the least is receiving these chargebacks for OTIF or whatever fines our customer wants to fine us for. It takes a lot of effort to explain to them, hey, look, we have documents where we can prove we delivered in full, we delivered on time, and then we can probably get most of them back. But it's a lot of effort, unnecessary effort, and I hated it.
No more OTIFs. That's something to celebrate, along with all of Wolfgang's and Miki's contributions to the company. So to close everything out, I asked, what's next?
It's a bittersweet moment for me because I loved this time with Hans Mill so much, and I didn't want to miss this in my life, in my career. I'm an engineer, I'm very passionate. Miki, my wife, is an engineer in automation, so we had the technical skills in order to run this company, and we're gonna miss that part as well. However, this year I work as an engineer for 50 years of my life. And I think 50 years working as an engineer is enough. There's a few years left I want to enjoy in my retirement. Thank you.